In this video, I am going to show you a very profitable binary options trading strategy. And to show you this strategy, I have chosen this platform that is called Pocket Option. And I am not using my real account to show you. Instead, I am showing you this strategy inside free tournament that is available inside Pocket Option for every 24 hours. Every 24 hours, you can get participate in this tournament for absolutely free by clicking at here and clicking on registration and by clicking on confirm participation. And if you make good amount of profitable trade and make or increase your tournament balance to the higher amount, then you are going to get this kind of prize fund for absolutely free. And if you want to create and verify your Pocket Option account, then I have special tutorial for that also. I also have shown you another tutorial where I am showing you to use this social trading features, or you can call it copy trading, where you can copy other people's trade automatically to make money for yourself. And I have guided you on that also in an easy way. Similarly, there are other two strategies that I have shown you which can help you to make maximum number of right trade inside Pocket Option. And I'll give you the link for this playlist in the description of this YouTube video. You can check that. Okay. Now let's talk about this very profitable strategy that you can use with Pocket Option. So Pocket Option has one function. Okay, you can trade on 5 seconds also, in 5 seconds expiry. Okay, that means you can select this candle and make it as 5. These are the 5-second candles. Similarly, you can click on here and select this timing 5 seconds so that your trade will be closed in 5 seconds. Now to use this strategy, you need to find market which is showing like hill. They are making hill, okay, going up below, going up below. Okay, this kind of market you need. Okay, so I have fast forwarded for some time so that I can see this kind of hill type of format. Okay, you need this kind of chart pattern. Okay, and then you need to combine it with the money management. Okay, so firstly what you can do is you can invest $10, and if you make profit, then you keep on investing $10 only. But if you made loss, then increase that amount to $30. Invest $30 so that you can cover up your $10 loss and an additional profit. And if you made profit in that $30 investment, then again come down to $10 investment. But if you made loss in $30 also, then you can invest $90. Okay, and if you made profit on that $90 investment, then you will cover your $40 previous loss and an additional profit. But if you lose that $90 investment also, then you should stop trading for that day and come next day and try this strategy again. Now I'll show you exactly how this trading works with the money management strategy that I have just explained you right now. You can also call it a semi-martingale strategy. This is not a full martingale strategy, but instead I have modified this martingale strategy into semi strategy, and I am always targeting, let's say I am investing, if I am investing $130 per day, then I will target the profit to $60 per day by repeating this strategy. So my risk to reward ratio would be 1:2. I'll risk $130 and try to make $260. So now one more thing that you need to be careful is this chart should always show you this hill pattern. Okay, if this hill pattern is not showing, then this strategy will not work in an effective way. If that happens, then you need to see or other currency. I'll quickly check out other currency where there is good hill pattern. Okay, so here you can see a good type of hill pattern, a clear hill pattern is being formed. Now here is the place where you can make trade. Okay, so just in when it is going above, you need to take higher trade. When it is coming below, you need to continuously take lower trade. So now this is the place where you don't need to take any trade. And if after 2-3 candles this candle start to move up, then you can start to take higher trade. Okay, so let's wait for some second and see if it starts to move up, or if it is still falls below. As you can see here, it is falling down. If it falls from here, then we will start to take lower trade also. So let's wait for some time and see. So it is coming down from here. So most probably this market is going to go down. So I'll make a lower trade by investing 10. Now here you can see. So seems like I made a loss. So now what I can do is I can invest $30. Now let's wait. This market seems to be going up. So let's see if, yeah, it started to go up. So now we have made the up trade. And let's see So we have made loss in this also. So now our another trade would be of $90, but here I only have $60 for now, so I am going to invest that only. Okay, so it has started to become flat. Okay, so that's why it is being a little bit confusing at here, but still let's see what happens if we make higher trade at here. So seems like we made profit for this time by investing $60, but we needed to invest $90 at here. So since we have made profit, so let's again go to $10. Okay, and see, here is the, so it up, this is down. Okay, this is down. Okay, so it started down, so next candle down. Okay, let's see what happens. Seems like we made a profit on this. Here you can see. So again another also down. Okay, so it went up. So let's do this and see what happens. So again we made loss in this. So now let's raise our fund to 30 and see if this market will start to go up or down. Let's wait for some time. So it seems like it is going to go down. So let's make $30 investment by clicking on down and let's see what happens. So we have also made loss in this again. So now it's time to invest $90, but I have here 37.90 only, so I'll show you by investing that much. So the market has started to go up, so let's click on this and see what happens in this trade. So here you can see we made a profit in this trade. Okay, so in this way you need to continuously trade in this kind of hill market, and after some time, some minute, you will start to see good amount of profit. Okay, just remember you need to use this money management strategy of 10, 30 and 90. Okay, and if you lose that much, then stop trading for that day and keep on targeting for 1:2 risk to reward ratio, that is $260 profit. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and I'll know you are loving this kind of content, and I'll start to bring more this kind of tutorials so to help you to conduct stressless trading strategy while trading binary options. So take care, have a great life ahead, bye bye.